Hello, welcome to our lesson on combination. And combination is about selection. Okay, and then under combination, arrangement doesn't necessarily matter, unlike permutation. So when you have number of objects and you are selecting some, okay, from the given objects, then you are going to use what? Combination. So let's say I have n objects, okay, selecting R from N, okay, at a time. Okay, so let me find the number of ways I can select what? R object from N at a time. Okay, the combination. So that is what you have N combination what? R. And you know it was N factorial divided by what? R factorial and then N minus R all factorial. Is that okay? So the question can ask you that, let's say assume I have 20 players, okay, as a football team. In how many ways can I select 11 players from these 20 players? Okay, 20 players, select 11. In how many ways can I select 11 from the 20? So that will give me 20 combination, 20 combination 11. And then you write your answer down. So 20 combination 11 will give us what? 167 960 ways. So these are the number of ways that you can select 11 players from 20 players. Okay, it can even be a committee. Okay, and with a committee, let's say I have 10 people. Okay, I have 10 people and I want to choose, I want to form a committee of 4 people. Okay, and I have 10 people to choose the 4 people from. So I'm selecting what? Selecting 4 from 10. That also implies what? 10 combination what? 4. Alright, 10 combination 4. And let's say another example again. I have 5 boys and then 7 girls. And I want to select out of the 5 boys and 7 girls, I want to select what? I want to select 4 boys and then 2 girls to form a committee. So if it is 4 boys, how many boys do I have? 5. So 5, I'll select 4. So that will be 5 combination 4. And I'm also selecting what? I'm also selecting, let's say, 2 girls, 7 combination 2. So if I'm selecting 4 boys and then 2 girls at a time from 5 boys and 7 girls, this is how I'm going to write it. 5 combination 4 times 7 combination 7 combination 2. 7 combination 2. Alright. Or another way that, let's say I'm leaving even from this, and then I'm supposed to select what? Let's say 3 boys or 5 girls. In how many ways can I select 3 boys or 5 girls? Alright, giving 5 boys and 7 girls. So if it is all, then I'm going to apply what? I'm going to apply plus. Alright. So either I'm selecting, if I want to select 3 boys, the number of ways will be all. There are only 5 boys, so 5 combination 3. Or if I want to select 5 girls, then there are only 7 girls, so that will be 7 combination 5. So that will be 5 combination 3 plus 7 combination 5. Alright. I think this is so simple about combination. Let's go and solve some few examples. Okay, so let's look at the questions. What's in November 2016 question 5b? A committee of 3 boys and 5 girls is to be formed from a group of 6 boys and 10 girls. How many ways can the committee be formed? Okay, so number 1, the committee is to be formed out of 6 boys and 10 girls. So there are how many boys? 6 boys and 10 girls. And then the committee is to be formed from this. A committee of 3 boys and 5 girls. Okay, So it means that in the committee, I just need 3 boys and 5 girls. But the 3 boys and 5 girls I need, they are 10 boys and 6 girls I'm going to select from. So since I'm going to select 3 boys and 5 girls from 6 boys and 10 girls, then that will be what? That will be 6 combination what? How many boys? 3. So 6, I'm selecting 3 times and 10 girls. I'm going to select what? 5. So this is how it's going to be. 6 combination 3 times 10 combination 5. Then 6 combination 3, put it on the calculator. That will give us 20. So 20 times then 10 combination 5. That will give us 252. So 252 times 20 times 252. That will give us what? That will give us 5040 ways. So the number of ways that I can select 3 boys and 5 girls from 6 boys and 10 girls is 5040 ways. 6 combination 3 times 10 combination 5. I believe you get it. Alright, number 2. 5 odd numbers or 4 even numbers are to be selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. How many ways can this be done? Alright, so I'm just to select. Okay, here no arrangement. So this talks about combination. Okay, so if I'm just to select, then 1 to 50. So let me list my set for the numbers. Okay, so my numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. So 1 to 15. You say how many ways can this be done? So I'm to select 5 odd or 4 even. 5 odd. So I have to know what the number of what odd numbers that I have to select 5 from, and then the number of even numbers that I have to select what 4 from. Okay, yeah. So either 5 odd or 4 even. So let me know the odd numbers. How many odd numbers that I'm selecting? 5. So the odd numbers, that will be what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then 15. So these are my odd numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 odd numbers. And the 8 odd number, how many am I selecting? I'm selecting 5. So that will be 8 combination 5. 8 combination 5. And what is 8 combination 5? That will give us 56. Okay, so the number of ways that I can select odd numbers from the numbers 1 to 15 is 8 combination 5, because there are only 8 odd numbers in this. So it's not every number I'm going to select. I'm just going to look at the odd numbers and make my selection. So the number of ways is 56. And then I come to even. The even numbers. How many even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then 14. Alright. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So that the 7 plus the 8 will give me what? 15, as we know. So I have 7 even numbers. Selecting how many? 4. So that will give me 7 combination 4. 7 combination 4. That will be 35. Okay, so this is 56 ways, 35. So the question says that in how many ways can this be done? So it is either I'm selecting 5 or 4 even. So the or means what? Addition. So I will say that the number of ways will be equal to what? 56 plus 35. Alright. That will give me 99. So 99 ways. So the number of ways I can select 5 odd or 4 even numbers. From the set of numbers 1 to 15, it's 91 ways. It's 91 ways. I believe you get it and you have understood this. Thank you for your time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.